we can access the control unit, the motorhome control unit, in case, let's say, if you have a blown fuse here on the 12 volt sockets, because you've connected a 12 volt kettle, which is not designed to be used. This is mainly designed for phone charging and sat-nav charging. Then you need to access the control unit here, which is under this seat. To do that, you need to remove the table first. You need to lift it up a bit and just gently remove it from the rail. Put it on the side. Remove the cushions. And if you open this lid, this is our control unit and our leisure battery. The fuses are located under this cover. So if you have a blown fuse, then you can just pull the fuses out one by one and inspect each single one of them, and you should see the two ends connected in the middle if you look through there, and this little loop here should be intact. If the fuse has blown, you'll see that it has a cut and it's basically burnt off. If you need to replace a fuse, you will find fuses in our travel kit. If you've run out of spare fuses, you can buy fuses at any petrol station.